guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anjali Grover. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so you get notified whenever there's a new video on my channel. So today's look is all about Indian wedding guest cocktail look. This for my brother-in-law's wedding. A little updated, though in weddings you don't get to get ready very easily. This is somewhat I did quickly for his cocktail look. If you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching the video, and also there's a giveaway at the end of the video. Keep watching the video and let's get started. So I've already moisturized my skin, and I've also used this brightening elixir called Skin Love from Becca, and I've also done my brows. All I got to do right now is pull my hair back and start with my eyeshadow. Prime my eyelids, I'll be using this Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. I'll be taking this concealer all over my eyelids. It seems a bit white because I think it's a very lighter shade, so it works for me. You will see later. It's looking very weird right now, but it's just gonna settle down. I'm taking this Tati Beauty blender. I'll be using this to blend that concealer very well, and then you'll see it won't look that white. I used this Tati Beauty Volume 1 Neutrals palette for the eyeshadow for the look that I did for his wedding. To set my eyes in place, we'll be taking this white matte shade from the Raw Aura and we'll be just applying it all over my eyelids. I'm taking this lightest shade from the palette. It's a matte shade from the Rose Soothe, and we'll be just applying it above my crease line, so it is going to act like a transition shade. I literally used just this one palette. I just had this with me in my luggage and it was just enough for me. Taking this matte brown shade from the Raw Ritual, we'll be placing this on my crease line and we'll be slowly working it through in a circular motion so that it blends very nicely. To go ahead with my metallic shade, I'll be using this Tranquility Facial Mist so that I can wet my brush before picking up that shade. This bluish metallic shade from the Raw Memory, will be patting this all over my eyelids just below my crease line. Taking this black matte eyeshadow from the same row, will be placing it on the outer V of my eye, not taking it too much into my crease, just working it through in the outer V of my eye. Taking a cleaner brush, will be merging all the shades together and making sure that the edges aren't too harsh. Taking this pressed glitter from the Raw Memory, we'll be taking a flat brush for the application. It's very easier to do it that way, and this doesn't even require any glitter glue. Taking that similar transition shade, will be just going over my crease line just to give it a bit of dimension. Then to prime my face, we'll be using this Benefits Porefessional. It helps with the minimization of the appearance of your pores. It just blurs out the area where you apply it and also makes the application of the foundation very easier. It looks flawless. Have a bright or a very bold eye, you have to make sure that your dark circles don't peek through, so for that I'll be using this orange corrector to just cover it up. Don't want to look like Donald Trump anymore, so I'll be using the Tati Beauty blender to blend the concealer in place. Mixing two foundations, one is this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 2W something in Ratin, and the other one is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Amberati. I look horrendous right now, but believe me, once this sits well, it's amazing. It's an amazing foundation. Seal my dark circles a bit more, would be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Pure Beige, just teeny bit, and then we'll be blending it. Highlight my face, will be using the same concealer, and to contour my face, will be using the Sculpting Touch Creamy Stick Contour from Kiko Milano, and will be putting it on to my cheekbones and my forehead, onto the bridge of my nose and my jawline. Then very gently we'll be blending all of this in place. To set my concealer in place, I will be using this K Beauty loose powder in the shade Almond and will be applying it onto the areas that I've applied concealer before. To set the contour in place, we'll be using this contouring palette from Wet n Wild and will be just setting the areas that I have contoured. Then for blush, I'll be using this Color Bar blush in the shade Everything's Rosy. This has a teeny bit of shimmer in it, but it's such a bright and lovely shade. Then for kajal, I'll be using this Rock the Line kajal from Nykaa and will be applying it onto the waterline, lower waterline, and onto my upper waterline, and also will be just dragging it a bit onto the tear duct area of my eye so it looks like an almond shaped eye. And then to smudge that kajal a bit, I'll be taking that matte black shade from the palette and will be smudging the kajal a bit, just a bit. And then to set that in place, we'll be using that same transition shade and will be just applying it onto the lower lash line where I've applied the matte black shade. Already done my lashes, so I've used this Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama. Just to add a little bit of glow, I'll be using this Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist from Glow Recipe, just spritzing a bit onto my face. For highlighter, I'll be taking this palette from Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals and will be applying it to the high points of my face. And then for my lips, I'll be taking this Lips Don't Lie in the shade Chocolate Boy from Nykaa just to line my lips. And then we'll be going ahead with this Smashbox Driver's Seat. It's such a lovely shade. This was from Malvika's collaboration last year or this year, I don't remember. Just to add that movie tone to it, I am going to add this Turkish Rose shade from Nika K. So this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. This is something that you can wear at any wedding or for any party or any occasion. This is such a beautiful, glittery, shimmery eyes. Coming to the giveaway. So since there was a Pink Friday sale on Nykaa, everybody I think did shop on Nykaa. I didn't do that much, but I did end up buying something for you guys. Makeup Revolution palette. It's the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. I've not opened it, you can definitely see it's just sealed pack. I didn't want it to ruin the packaging. So I'll put up a picture over here somewhere how the palette looks from the inside. An amazing palette. I've heard a lot about this palette. This has been trending a lot on Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, if you want to win this palette, all you gotta do is subscribe, follow, and comment down below why do you think you deserve to win this palette. So the giveaway starts from 4th of December to 8th of December. You can even tag your friends, ask them to tag you. Make sure that you mention, even if your friend is commenting for you, just ask them to mention your name so that it's very easy for me to do it, and it's just gonna be like the last time. I'm randomly going to pick up a
participant a winner. So yeah, that's it. The winners will be announced on 12th of December. And yeah, all the best to all the participants. Keep showering your love, and yeah, keep supporting. That's all I need. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay home. Bye.